Thank you guys for 100 subscribers. We hit that landmark last week, so we're very grateful for everyone that has subscribed so far. We are going to announce a giveaway in this video, so make sure you stay tuned.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to grey as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with
There are 4 10mm bolts on the top here to take the bumper off, and then on each arch we've got a load of clips for the wheel liner, and there's also a bolt just up in here as well that needs to come out. And then there are also some clips behind this grille which will need to come out as well, so I have to pull that out, and then the bumper should just fall off. So this is my new front bumper from IL Motorsport in Germany. It's a BOMEX sort of replica. So you see I've already done some painting, and it just needs to be wet sanded and then polished once it's on.
Tongue comes out.
Come on, you piece of shit!
Do you mean to grab the other side?
Nah, fuck it. Large portions of the bumper are unclipped. Come on. Okay. These bars need to come out. Come back off. I need to take these towing bars off. They're catching on the insides of.
How are you going to tow when you break down then?
Won't break down, mate, do they?
Don't believe a word he says.
Go over there.
Yeah.
Hey, come up. Bend like that.
Nice Sarge.
Fit quite well now.
Yeah, it does, yeah.
Right, you hold that there.
Yeah, alright, I'm on it. Sir, Sawyer. Zach Sawyer.
So I've had to remove both tow hooks on each side to get it to fit. And actually, the fitment from this is actually quite good. If you come and have a look around the headlight, it's very nice. Arches are both pretty good.
Tell you what, it's better than my fake Mugen stuff, I'll tell you that much.
The other side's as well pretty good. And what's nice is it mounts at all the OEM points at the top and at the bottom as well. Yeah, good. So just give it a tack cloth down now. I'm going to do some wet sanding, and then I'm going to do a machine polish, and then we'll show you what it looks like.
Nice.
Nice, Sarge.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look.
Hey man, how the hell you doing? I've been just fine living life with the new
mentioned at the start of the video, we've hit 100 subscribers, so we are going to give away, when we hit 200 subscribers, this Sam's Detailing sample box. It includes all the products that we use on our own personal cars, and we really rate them, so we will be giving this away to one lucky viewer. Links in the description below for Sam's Detailing, and also we will give you the description on how to enter this giveaway. So keep liking, keep subscribing, and when we hit 200 you'll get one of these.
I got no filter, no